Go home happy with the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Chrysler Pacifica, the super safe minivan with a light, agile feel and loads of passenger-friendly amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, remote engine start, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, power liftgate, satellite radio. When it comes down to it, is there anything more important than safety in a family vehicle? Drive the Pacifica.